Hi, welcome. Here I have the MSI gaming laptop, and if your battery is not holding the charge, more likely it is time for a replacement. So I will be replacing the battery here, and let's go ahead and identify the model. If you take a look at the back of your laptop, you should be able to see it says MS16K2. That is the model, and let's go ahead and get started. So first, you just need to have a Phillips screwdriver. We'll be removing all the screws here in the back cover. Technically, if your laptop is about more than 3 years old, or maybe more than 4 years old, and the battery is not holding the charge, if you fully charge it at 100%, and it only gives you about, I would say, like half an hour to 45 minutes, and it drained down all the way to 0, then more likely the battery is just not holding the charge. And to replace the battery, it should be quite straightforward. I don't see a point being difficult here, but looks like some of the screw does not come off. What is going on? Maybe it was meant to not come off. So keep that in mind, some of the screws are not coming off. I wonder if it's my problem. Nope, it do come off. It should come off, yep. For some reason, this screw here does not. Anyway, hopefully you don't have the same problem as I do. Go ahead and remove all the screws. We do need to remove the back cover. And again, the screw looks like all the same. So if you mix match the screws, I don't think it's a big deal because the screw looks all the same to me. And there's a hidden screw right at here. Probably the way they do it is to prevent, from the tempering the computer, to avoid the warranty service. Because the computer is out of warranty, I'm okay to just temper the seal. Remove that hidden screw here. And try to remove the back plate, this back cover here. I'm going to use a metal prying tool, stick it in between. Okay, like so. Plastic cover here. Gonna run along the back cover and gently just lift it straight up. Something is stopping it to remove. What is going on? Nothing is going on. So that is removed. Here comes the hard drive. CPU fan. If your CPU fan is dirty, you might want to get a can duster. Just kind of spray and dust it off. Have a better cooling system would be the best. Remove this yellow tape, and I like to slide a connector to my right. So you're just gonna pull it to your right, and that should do it. And again, you might want to double check your battery. If your battery is swollen, or if you do see a lump on the battery, meaning that the battery is like pregnant, then it is time for replacement, because you might have overcharged the battery. If you always leave the charging port plugged in all the time, and if you leave it plugged in and charge the computer overnight and all the time, then you'll probably damage the battery and needs a replacement. All right, looks like the battery itself do not have any screw that's holding on to it. I just lift it straight up, and that just remove itself. And they kind of use a double-sided cushiony tape to tape onto the battery. All right, to identify the battery, go ahead and look up for the model here. The model name says BTY-M6J. So that is the model. What I'm going to do is I'll link it down in the description below. Hopefully I can find the right battery, the right vendor that can ship it to me, and I'll list it down in the description below from either eBay or Amazon. Okay, so just pretend the battery came in right after I order. I know this is still the original battery, it's not the replacement battery. Just wanted to make the video and show it to you guys. You might want to go ahead and put a tape on it to secure the battery. There is this double-sided adhesive tape. If you're not sure where to get them, I got it through Amazon. I'll link it again down in the description below for you. So this 2 mm, meaning that this is the width of the tape. Here it says 3 mm, it's a 3 millimeter, that's the width of this tape, and this is the 5 mm. I think all you have to get is maybe just a 3 millimeter, tip it right around the battery corner here, and just stick it in like so. I don't think there's a right or wrong way to stick it in. You just have to make sure that you kind of in a position like that, and just slide the connector back in, have the back cover to go back on top with all the screws in, and I think that should be it. All right, I hope this video is helpful. If you do find the video is helpful, please smash the like button for me. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, and if you want to show appreciation of my video, please go ahead and click on YouTube Super Thanks. YouTube Super Thanks allow you to share your gratitude and show your appreciation to my work. I appreciate you for doing that in advance, and again, until next time, bye now.